back to my channel. My name is Joe, the Joe Anderson for those who don't know. I'm back at you guys with another video. I'm definitely back in New York working from home. I haven't been home in the last 9 months because the second week of quarantine I ended up just like falling apart, literally. Like, just imagine being in a house by yourself and it's like a repeated cycle of wake up, make breakfast, work, make lunch, work, make dinner, like go to sleep, watch a movie, go to sleep, and then wake back up and do the same thing for 2 weeks straight. You can't leave the house, can't go out to eat, can't go to the mall, and that's just what was going on for the whole 2 weeks that I was off work. So I'm like, you know what, I'm laying on the couch. I'm like, you know what, I cannot take this no more. I need to really like get out of here. So I called my mother and was like, Ma, I'm on my way. I'm on my way home. I'm about to pack my stuff. I'm coming back down there because I can help you out around the house. I can have somebody to talk to. I could just really do everything that I want to do. So, you know, and just have company and spend time with my family instead of just sitting in the house by myself and just sitting here doing nothing but working, like, and working and cooking. I ended up being in DC for the last 9 months, helping my mother out with my sister, relaxing, working from home, everything, the whole 9 yards. So that's what I was doing the whole time. But I will say 2020, the greatest outcome was my business. I actually made a goal of 1,000 per month during the whole summer, which was the time that everybody was like traveling. People needed swimsuits, people needed let me see what else. People needed swimsuits, people needed stuff to pack. So I'm like, okay, word of mouth in DC is a really small city, so word of mouth is a great way to promote your business and, you know, recommendations. So when my friends needed swimsuits or whatever they needed to go out of town, they would, you know, tell their friends like, hey, this girl sells swimsuits, she sells club wear. I also sell club wear for those who are going out of town to go clubbing, whatever, you know, I got you. It don't even matter what you going out of town for, I got you. Oh, one moment. So when I work from home, I normally just wake up, check my email, make my bed, make breakfast, whatever, get ready for the day. Today, I'm actually, when I get off work, I'm going to drop off an order because I got an order. And what else did I do? Oh, I gotta check my mail. When I first got here, I checked my mailbox. Now, I haven't checked the mail room yet from stuff that I've been sending up here because I don't want to drive it from DC back up here, back to New York. So, I'm gonna check my mail room today, drop off my package, finish working from home, probably watch a movie in the meantime. I already washed these off too. But I gotta get some ice. It looks so nasty. I don't know why green smoothies always look nasty, but I just taste one. So bomb. So since I have an order today, I am going to pack the order right now. This is my inventory closet. This is my packaging. This is the dress somebody brought last night in a size small, so I'm about to package this now. So right now, since somebody did order something on my website, I will package the order right now and send it out after work. I normally put inside, oh my gosh, I normally put inside 2 business cards, one for the customer, one for, you know, if they want to pass it out to somebody. I put in a thank you card, which, you know, promotes the business, and add a little branding in there too. This is a boarding pass, which I write thank you notes on, and always just say thank you so much for supporting my business, because I am a small business and it's just me. So yeah, and then I put the clothes inside of my poly mailers, and of course the clothes. Look at sister. I want to see. Hey sister. Hey sister. Ani. Grandma, put her face in the phone and put her face in the camera. What's up, sister?
Okay, wait a minute. Reshay, do you hear us?
What's up, sister? She's frozen. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hey.
You just gonna stare in the camera? Alright, I'm gonna call y'all back. Alright, I'm gonna call y'all back. Alright. It's really gloomy outside. Y'all can see my daggone living room looks crazy. I need to put the carpet back. The picture fell off the wall while I was gone, so I gotta put that back up. Like, I have my work cut out for me. I ended up just finished watching the 100. A lot of people tell me about that show, but I was kind of skeptical, because I'm like, I don't really watch stuff that's I guess like galactic type of space kind of thing, so I was a little skeptical about it. But when I ended up watching it, it's a really good show. Alright, y'all, I'm cutting the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching this very chill vlog. It's really not much to do or to, you know, really watch working from home, but this does give people insight on what we go through working from home as non-essential workers. This was a life update, business update, but I think in my next video, when I do end up going into the office, I'm going to drop a day in the life as an engineer. So hopefully you guys, let me know below in the comment box if you would like to see that. I can give you guys like a tour, show you what I do on the machines that I work on, but I just have to figure out how to work it with the confidentiality kind of side of it. But I'll just, you know, figure that out. I know for sure I can, you know, do the video though. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.